All right, you guys, we're gonna get started. 15 minutes cardio dance workout. You're gonna go quick, double pull. Pulling those elbows down. Activate your obliques. And breathe, y'all. Keep it going. Whew. Good. For 2. Last one. We're gonna lift the arms. Up, little neck. Up, little neck. Reach, hit. Reach, hit. 4, 3. Good. You're here for 2. On one, little slide. Push. For 2. Good. Hold right here. Little heel tap. Single, single, double on the right. Single, single, double on the left. You got it, y'all. Last set. Back to that little pull. Right, left, double. Left, right, double. Last time right here. Let's lift and sit. We go up, knock, up, knock. Reach, hit, hit. Good, we're here for 2. Slide to the right, we push, right. One more each way. Back to that quick heel tap. Here we go. Single, single, double. Single, single, double. Whew. Good, back to that pull. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Keep it going, y'all. 4 more. 3. Whew. One more time each way. Right, left, pull. We lift and we sit. It's up, knock. Last 2. Tap those heels. Single, single, double. Kick, kick, double. You got it, yeah, come on. 4 more to finish. 4. Here's your 3. Last 2. Last set. Nice work. Grab your weights. And we are gonna work our upper body. Feet are under your hips. Little bend those knees, engage the core. Drop the weights, palms in. You're gonna bicep curl. In, press, down, lower. Bicep curl, reach. Focusing in on the biceps, the shoulders, the lats. Last one here. Just a curl and drop. Curl. Curl. Yes. Squeezing those biceps for 4. 3. Little change coming up. 2. You're gonna slide the arms out to the side. 2 counts to lift. And then draw them into the center. Release. Lift for 2. Bring it in, down. Whoo! Tops the shoulders. Last one here. Side lift. Back to that curl shoulder press. Curl in. So strong. Curl, press, in, down. 2 more. Keeping your core engaged. Keep connecting with your breath. Whew. Curl and lift. In, down. Curl and drop. Squeeze. Good, keep it going for 4. We got 3, we're going back to that little fly. 2, you have 2 counts to lift it to the side. 2 counts, up for 2. Drive it in, down. Woo! Burning at the tops of our shoulders. 4 more right here. 3. So good, you got 2. Yes, guys, Keep it up, almost there, last one. Back to that curl shoulder press, here we go. Curl, in, press. Woo! You should feel that warmth in the upper body. Feel your strength, 2 more sets. Last one. Just that hammer curl right here for 8. Lift and drop. So strong, we have 4. We have 3. You've got 2. Back to our little fly. 2 counts to the side. Lift. Slide it in. Fly it up. Bring it in. Drop. Lift. Go back to that. Press. Woo, final time like this. Curl. Press. In. Down. Squeeze. Reach. Amazing, last one. Let's finish with the hammer curl. Here we go, 8. Lift and drop. Keep breathing, keep pushing, 4. We got 3, 2, 1. Good, roll your shoulders back, set your weights to the ground. Let's dance. All right, you're gonna tap, right? For 2, you're stacking those elbows to start. Tap, tap, switch, tap, tap. We're gonna keep the feet doing that. Just change your arms. Right for 2, left for 2. Reaching over the head, straight to that arm. 4, you got it. 3, we got 2. Right foot's gonna rock forward, go forward, a little hop. Forward, little hop. Maybe push the arms and swim. 4, 3. Good, we got 2. We're gonna kick the booty 4 times right here. Kick it up. And squat, low. Booty kick. Drop and lift. Booty kick. Good. Keep it going. Kick the booty. 2 more. Getting into that squat each time. Last time. Back to the tap. 2 right. Switch. Right. And left. Keep it going. Stacking those palms. This energy is what we're meant to be. And we take it to that little reach overhead. 2 to the right. 2 to the left. Reach. Good, now rock it to the front. Go right foot. Maybe push, swim through the arms. Rock front. Bring it in. 4. Woo! High energy, y'all. We got 2. Booty kick. 4 times. Let's go. Booty kick. So good. Keep it going. Are you breathing? Woo! Last 2. Last one. Good. Little tap. Let's go to the right. To the left. Finish strong. Finish proud. We've got 4 more like this. Last 2. Take it to a reach. We push to the right. Switch to the left. Woo. Heart rate is up, y'all. So good. Here's 2. We rock it right. We rock right. Hop. Left. Maybe swim. Push. Push. 4. 3. You've got 2. Good, booty kick. Last 2. Finish it. Stronger than you started. And breathe right there. Whew, guys, that is tough today. Grab your weights. Walk your feet wide, turn your toes out slightly. Sumo squats. Drop those arms. Sink, halfway lift. We're hinging forward from our waist here. I want you to stay hinging and push your feet to the ground. Down. Zipping up your core. Really firing into the glutes, the outer thighs. Feeling our power. Good, let's hold it low and pulse. Keep your back nice and flat for me. Keep your core tight. 8. Good, shoulders away from your ears. Close your rib cage. Now hold it low. Fly the arms. Up for 2. Out for 2. Lift for 2. Drop for 2. Stay bent in those knees. Woo. Let it burn. Good, last one. Drop and lift. So you take it down. Stay hinged. Down, up, down, up. You got it. 4 more. 2. Keep it going. You're gonna take 2 pulses and lift your heel. You're gonna pulse, pulse, lift the heel, set it down. Pulse, pulse, heel. 2 more. Sink, sink, push. Good, last one. We're gonna hold it low and pulse. Woo! Yes. Keep breathing. Stay low, stay grounded. You're here for 8, 6, 4, 3, 2. Hold low, fly the arms. Lift for 2. Lower for 2. Lift for 2. Lower for 2. Keep breathing. Inhale. Exhale. Last time. Just drop and lift. Stay hinged over those heels. Sink, squeeze. 4, 3, 2. We're gonna hit that double pulse. Heel lift. Here we go. Pulse. Down, down. Kick it back. Down, down, kick. Come on. We're gonna hold the next one low. Just pulse it down. Press, press. Fight for it, y'all. You are at that finish line. And then you lose those weights. Stay here for 8. Woo, 6. I'm with you. 4, 3, 2. Hold low. We fly the arms. Up for 2. Down for 2. Lift for 2. Woo. 2 more. Are you low in those legs? Good. Last one. Drop and lift. Sink. Lift. Down. Press. Down. Press. 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe. And set those weights down. Holy moly. All right, y'all, last song of work. Give it all you got one more time. We're gonna take a little reach, right, left, roll it 2 times, reach. Last time. We lift, we twist. Lift, lift, sit flick. Lift, twist, sit into that hip. Last time. Good. Grapevine to the right. Hold it here. Roll the booty sides. Grapevine, 2 booties. Good. Maybe add some arms. Little circle. Last time. Good. Step, touch. Down. Step, touch. Booty roll. 2 more sets. Your final chance to move and groove. So give it all you got one last time. Lift and twist. Lift, sit, flip. You got it, y'all. I'm with you. Last 2. Good, last one. You take the grapevine with the booty roll. Grapevine. 2 circles. Grapevine. 2 circles. Stir it up. 1 more each way. Good, last time. Step, touch, 2 rolls. Take it low. Good. 2 more. We are so close, y'all. Last one. Lift and twist. Lift. Sit back. Last time. Grapevine, circle, lift. And roll. It's grapevine. And roll. Last time. And breathe. Give yourself a round of applause, you guys. I hope you had fun today. If you enjoyed today's workout, let me know in those comments below, and we'll see you back on the dance floor next time.